Hello, Darwin Fortuna, Fortuna Flow. So I am looking at something very, very interesting right now. Let's take a look at the market real quick. Starting with Bitcoin. I don't know if you can see what I can see, but we've been respecting 19,500 or so very, very strongly. That's basically a triple bottom that we formed right there. So that said, you will be like, what does that mean? Well, that means that we are finding strong support at about 19,500, and we're trying to maintain ourselves above 19,000 very strongly, So, and I'm trying to figure out since when that support exists. I'm just going through the charts, and at some point we broke through it all the way back on July 13th. Since July 13th until August 28th, which is over a month, we haven't gotten below that number. And that's very interesting. That's really interesting right now. So we're holding that as a very strong support. And the RSI right now is in oversold. Overbought for the 45-minute chart right now, and it's starting to go down. So we probably will see another retest of that support. But interesting, we're above 20,000. Bitcoin is above 20,000, so that's really good. Really, really good. Let's see Ethereum. So Ethereum is right now, it found some resistance, and I'm going to try to throw in that line right here. A 1614. It's really not wanting to go above 16,000. It's been respecting the 16,000 very, very strongly right here. So he got rejected once, he got rejected twice, and right now it's even holding 1580 as resistance right now. So, but we are creating a channel right here, right? So if you see that, that's a rising channel. Okay, so there are a couple things that can happen. If we break through that channel, we're gonna go back all the way to 1400 or so. If we hold it as support and break above it, then we will be going above 1700 or so. We probably could get to 1670 or so. So but we're holding that channel right there right now. We created a new channel. That channel wasn't necessarily there before. We just started making that channel. Could you guys see that? So from here, we've been holding that and that and that and that at support. So we've been doing a series of higher highs and higher lows, technically, except for this one right here. So that was a high, then low, then high, then low. Right now, what's next? You tell me. What do you think is next? Next will be forming another high. Okay? And with the merge coming up, that's pretty likely. That's pretty likely. No financial advice, never, but that's pretty likely that we would be able to do that. So, you know what? That note, I'm going to turn this into my channel. I'm going to give it a nice little Ethereum color or something and take a look at that. A couple of things besides the coins. Let's look at Solana. Has been just going sideways right now, and Ethereum Classic's been going sideways right now. It's just not, which is something interesting though. We do have a bit of a bullish divergence. Nah, we don't. I was trying to think about this, being going up and the price actually going down, but technically, yeah, the price here is going down and the RSI, the stochastic RSI is going up. It means that there is more momentum. We form a higher high on the stochastic versus a lower high on the price action. So that's a hidden bullish divergence. Just a little bit. I don't think it's enough for me to actually prove it correctly, but we do have this sideways movement right now. Couple things I wanted to touch base on very quickly. One is that for September, you guys know that we are at 2.5 interest right now, interest rates, and that we have a meeting coming up. And it's because we have inflation at 8.5, which is way above what they wanted. They wanted below 3%. Mr. Federal Reserve Bank chairman or president, Jerome Powell, was very hawkish on Friday, so that caused a lot of sell-offs. So, but on that note, we are anticipating a 0.75% increase. That's what's being anticipated right now. So that will put us from the percentage that I just mentioned, 2.5, to about 3.25. That's what's being expected. In my opinion, you know what I expect that will happen? Yeah, we're gonna go up by 0.75%, but I don't think we're gonna go up anymore. So, and you're like, Darwin, when is that gonna happen? September 21st. September 21st is when the Federal Reserve is going to meet, and they're going to be increasing rates. Expectations right now for, well, we don't have anything coming up, but that's when we're going to be having interest rates on September 21st. There's something going on September 7th. Each one of the Fed presidents, I believe, is talking. They're just having moments to talk, and that's September 7th. But overall, that's what's happening in here. So I just expect a little bit more sideways. The one that I expect, like, again, that we probably continue to go up is Ethereum. I think Ethereum is going to come back up a little bit. No financial advice. But that's it. Real quick and simple. Right to the point. Again, as I said, as long as Bitcoin is holding support at 20,000, we formed the bottom that I mentioned all the way back in June. The bottom was about $17,000. That's my opinion. No financial advice. What am I going to do? I'm gonna probably start DCAing into the market with Ethereum, Solana, Ethereum Classic. I'm just gonna throw in whatever little change I can get. All right, that's it. Thank you guys. I hope you liked it, and subscribe to the channel. We're gonna continue to create content like this on a very consistent basis, so please continue to support us. Thank you, and we'll stay together, and we'll see you soon. Bye.